Hi guys, it's Laura. And who has had a battery that is dead on their car at the worst time ever? Or who has new teenagers that are driving that you don't want them to get stranded? Here is something that is necessary in every vehicle. Let me show you what it is because it will be a lifesaver at some point in time to jumpstart your car. This cute little handy case, you open it up and ta-da! It has all the things you need in it for sure. Look at this tiny, concise little thing. First of all, it has a flashlight. I'll try not to blind you. It has different varieties, like it'll blink like if you're in an emergency, or you can use it straight as a, look at this one. This one's like, I'm in a big emergency. Or you can use it straight as a flashlight so you can see what you're doing in case it's dark out at night. And it will tell you right here when this thing is fully charged to be able to charge your car. It'll tell you down here if your battery in your car is dead. And it will show you right here, it'll flash red if you hooked it up wrong. Because I wouldn't know how to hook it up unless my husband told me how to. But let me show you what else it has in the tiny little compartments. It has this very well-made clamps that you use to stick on your car. And when I say very well-made, I mean because they are tight to squeeze, but you're able to, so it'll clamp right where you need it to. So if you are ever in the need to jumpstart your car or charge your phone, it also has an adapter for that. This would be one of the things that I would suggest that everybody needs.